There are some special character that can be used with Jolt Spec that means different in a different location. When they are in RHS it's different, when they are in LHS it means different. So this is a table where I'm listing down a special character, where it's used, in which operation it is used, and what are their use. So instead of going through this table, I will explain you one by one, and then we'll come back to this table and will explain you. So let's start with ampersand. Ampersand. Ampersand means pick up the name of a particular field wherever my jolt pointer is left now. So this is my input, this is my output, this is my output, and this is my spec. So in spec I'm navigating my jolt pointer using this rating, primary, and value. So it will go into rating, primary, and value. So my jolt pointer is at here. So I will pick up this value number 3, and in output I'm specifying that go and create a node prime, then create a node v1, then look for a name wherever my jolt pointer is. Ampersand means look for a name wherever my jolt pointer is. So my jolt pointer is at this point. What is the name of that particular field? Is this value. So it will be like prime v1 dot value. Okay, so it will create a prime v1 and node value. Inside that node it will place this particular value. Same thing can be done by this syntax also. Previously this part was not there. In this slide I included this part. This part indicates a level, on which level I want to pick up a value. So 0 means ground level. I want to pick up a value on ground level. Level are relative to where your particular jolt pointer is right now. So when I'm specifying in jolt spec, my jolt pointer is at value right now, and in ampersand if I'm specifying level equals to 1, it will go one level above and point to this particular name. So this is level 0, this is level 1. So in output it will create field prime, field v1, and then will go and look in a jolt pointer where it is right now and go one level above and pick up that particular name and place it here. So this is coming from level 1, and the value will be still 3, which we picked up from our input. Let's see how level 2 is working. So level 0 is this value, level 1 is primary, level 2 is rating. So inside my prime v1 I am putting level 2, a name of a field which is at level 2. Level 2 relevant to my jolt pointer, like where my jolt pointer is right now. My jolt pointer is at value right now. So 0, 1 and 2. So I will pick up rating and place it here. If you go outside, like level 0, 1, 2, 3, so 3 is a root node, so it will give you a name like root. And if you go above that, it will again look for a root, because this is one more. If you put 4 it will give you a root. If you put 5 then it will give you an error, because you don't have a node above that particular level.